Welcome to the second of a series of short tutorials on the Millennium Parent Portal. This tutorial will focus on reports. Please review tutorial 1 if you require support in logging into the Millennium Portal. From the home page, select the reports icon on the left-hand side. As reports are published, they'll be available to view from this screen. Interim reports are available for all year groups. By selecting the semester, you'll be able to view the interim report. For this tutorial, we will view a 2017 report by changing the year in the drop-down. Please note that only semester reports published from this year will be available to access. As the reports are published, you will see a list of all the subjects. By selecting on the View Report, you can access an individual page for that particular subject. By selecting the Print Full Report, you'll be able to print the entire report. It will look something similar to this. You can use your keyboard shortcuts to print by selecting Control P on your keyboard or Command P on an Apple product. I am using a Google Chrome browser, and by selecting the icon in the right hand corner, I can print this document too. Print to your selected printer or change your printer destination to save as a PDF. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please remember that as reports are published, parents will be notified via email.